Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's have a look of the concept phone smartphone. So generally, most of the brands will release a concept phone which denotes their future technology in that smartphone. So in that way, now your brand has comes with a new concept phone. So this concept phone from a brand is called Infinix. Generally, Infinix is a brand who will always launch smartphones in the budget price segment, that is around rupees 10,000 to 15,000 price segment. But now the brand Infinix has actually comes with a new concept phone that is too comes with their flagship standard specs. Now in this video we are going to talk about the Infinix new concept phone smartphone specs and its features. Also we are going to go through about the concept phone which are launched from the other brands earlier. Firstly, let's start with the Infinix concept phone smartphone. So the Infinix concept phone smartphone is actually named as a Infinix Zero X smartphone. So this Infinix Zero X physical overview is like this only. So on the front side, it has a curved display. So it is having a almost 88-degree of curved OLED display panel, and this display is having a punch-hole style design, and it is actually located at the top left side. And inside the punch-hole, you will get a selfie camera. But as far now, we didn't know about any of the official specs. So this is the official design from the brand. And then this display is also supported with the in-display fingerprint scanning support. Then moving on to the sides, so this time this Infinix Zero X concept smartphone is actually built with a metal frame design. So it is fully made of a metal. Then on the left side there is nothing is given, and on the right side power on off button and volume keys are given. Then on the top side there is nothing is given, and then at the bottom side microphone, SIM slot, USB Type-C port, and then speaker grills are given. So this smartphone is not having a dual speakers and a 3.5 audio jack. Moving on to the back side, so here is a highlighted thing of this Infinix Zero X smartphone. So this time Infinix has comes with the color changing design. So as we have already seen in the multiple concept phones from other brands, we'll talk about that later. So in the same vein, Infinix Zero X smartphone is also comes with a color changing design. So it is actually changes the colors from the gray color to the blue color automatically. So when you are using a smartphone or you are charging the smartphone during that time, and apart from that, when the smartphone is in the idle condition, the colors will remain stable. Then on the back side, so as you seen here is a rectangular camera module, and then a now characters is actually printed, and then a Infinix branding is given. Then inside the camera module, you will actually get a triple cameras with a LED flash is equipped. And in terms of camera configuration, so it has a 108 megapixel of a primary camera, so which is almost based on the Samsung ISOCELL HM2 camera sensor. And then in addition to that, there might be a ultra wide angle camera lens, and then a third camera is going to be a periscopic type of telephoto lens, and that is also supported with up to 60x of zooming feature. And this 60x of zooming feature is officially confirmed from the brand Infinix. So totally 3 camera sensor is going to be equipped in the Infinix Zero X smartphone, but we didn't know the second camera sensor configuration so far. Now these are all the overview of the Infinix Zero X smartphone. Now moving on to the other specs, like so it has comes with the 160 watts of wired fast charging support and having a 50 watts of wireless fast charging support. And this smartphone is still not officially yet revealed, but these are all the specs and features we know so far about this Infinix Zero X smartphone. Now talking about the concept phones, so there is already some more concept phones we have seen from the various brands. Like firstly, let's start with the brand OnePlus. So the OnePlus is the first brand firstly comes up with their new OnePlus concept phone smartphone. So this is a completely a concept phone which having a feature of a disappearing camera technology and then a leather back design. So for disappearing camera technology, they actually use the electrochromic glass, so which is actually used in a car and premium hotels like that. So I have posted a video already regarding this OnePlus concept phone smartphone. So in that video I have explained about the OnePlus concept phone smartphone and its overview, camera samples, and in the OnePlus concept phone there is a feature called ND filter in the camera. Using that ND filter also I have made a separate camera samples too. So in case if you didn't watch that video, means here I given the link to that video, you can watch that afterwards. And then moving on to the next concept phone, so this is also from the brand OnePlus. So this time the concept phone is actually comes from the OnePlus 80 smartphone. So the OnePlus 80 concept phone is actually comes with a feature of a color changing design. So as like the Infinix Zero X smartphone, so this color changing design is actually early brought by the OnePlus. So in the OnePlus 80 concept phone, you will get a color changing design. So actually the colors actually changes from gray to blue. You can also see that video. Here is a link, you can also watch that video afterwards. And then Oppo is also brings a color changing design smartphone. So in the Oppo Reno5 Pro Plus smartphone, in the special edition, you will get that rear panel color changing design in that smartphone. And apart from that, Xiaomi is also bring a under display camera technology concept phone. So like that, various brands is actually bringing like these concept phones. So the concept phone is nothing but so the brand is actually insisting the new technology in that smartphone. So that means like that new technology is going to be featured in their upcoming smartphones. And the concept smartphone is only for like a demo purpose only. So it is not for a sale, and the consumers can't able to buy that smartphone. Only they can able to know about that concept smartphones. And sometimes brands may give you option to experience that smartphones to the consumers, but they can't able to buy that. Now what are your guys thoughts on the Infinix Zero X concept smartphone? Let me know in the comment section below. And in case in future Infinix has comes with like this flagship smartphone, means you will buy the Infinix smartphone or not, let me know that also in the comment section below. And that's all about this video guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this